Okay, hi. So, to build on what we've been talking about, the theory, right? And songs are based on that 1 4 5 chord progression. So, one of the things you want to be doing on a regular basis on your guitar is practicing those. So, start with C, F, G, A minor, and C. The next one, G, C, D, E minor. Now, this time I'm going to sub in C add 9 just to make it different. G, C add 9, D, E minor. So what we're doing is we're doing the 1 4 5 and adding the 6. Elaborate more. D, G, A, B minor. D, G, A, B minor, and then start D. Sometimes when I'm watching the reflection in the camera, A, D, E, F sharp minor. And the last one, E, A, B, or B7. I'm going to do B and then C sharp minor. So 1 4 5 6, the 6 being the minor. Now, the 6 is the relative minor, which means it's equal to the 1. So when you're writing, you can always, that's your first alternate, your first substitution chord. Every once in a while, get rid of the 1 and go to the 6. Then, of course, as you get that memorized, then you want to add in the 2s and the 3s, which are also minor. So, for example, in the key of G, G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, and finishing on the G. So you want to be able to do that and then mix and match, go all kinds of different directions with it. Use the capo, throw on the capo, and do them in different places so you get different sounds and you get used to playing these chords over and over so that your fingers know exactly where to go and you get used to the sound, and then you start to experiment. Now, the next question is probably, how do I know what is sharp? C sharp, F sharp, etc. So there's a pattern on your guitar. If you start on sixth string and you go 1, whole step 2, whole step 3, back to where you started, fifth string, 4, whole step 5, whole step 6, whole step 7. Those are your 7 notes in the key. You don't need the 8th note because that's your octave, right? G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So no need to do the 8th note. It's whole, 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 whole. That is on the guitar, nowhere else. It is literally just the pattern. So you put your tuner on, and you can start in the key of B flat. You don't know all the notes? Of course not. B flat 1, C 2, D 3, E flat 4, F is 5, G is 6, A is 7. Now, you're not going to play your chord here, but now you know that G minor is your 6. So now you know what the note is, and then of course 1, 4, 5 is major, 2, 3, 6 become minor, and we found out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is G, G minor. And then your ear will tell you if you do make a mistake, right? That doesn't sound good. Do it again. So ways to check your notes: use your tuner, tells you your notes, and then write them down. And remember, most importantly, 1, 4, 5 major, 2, 3, 6 minor chords. Have a great week. I'll see you next time. Thank you.